Just a couple quick notes more about expedition packing if it's helpful. As you may know, you will be supplied with a toque, parka, and puffy interior coat with a small backpack and water bottle if you're sailing with Seabourn Expeditions. If you're going with Quark Expeditions, you'll be supplied with a parka and a water bottle, and all those are yours to keep and nothing to pack in that regard. The boots you'll be fitted with are loaned for the duration of your expedition. You do not get to keep them, nor do you need to pack them, which is a good thing. Be sure to pack warm, tall socks, and you must also pack waterproof pants. You may have wet landings, which means you'll be disembarking the Zodiac in water up to your knee. Conditions do vary, so you do require pants. You may also be splashed while riding around in the Zodiacs, all a part of the fun. Pack ski gloves too, waterproof ideally. We packed our own hats because my head is large. I packed a headband too. Here you're looking at a female elephant seal emerging out of the water, and you can also see people walking in the distance. If you have any questions around packing for your Antarctic expedition, reach out. Our email is travel@princeadventures.com. We look forward to supporting your expedition travels.